Hey, what's going on guys? Chad here. I just want to make a quick follow-up video on the Ninjutso Sora. My first copy had some issues going on with the polling rate and possibly some wireless interference. So I put it in RMA with Max Gaming and they sent me on a replacement, and I've had it for a bit over 2 weeks now. So far the QC on this copy is absolutely perfect. All the buttons feel really crisp and just incredible on this copy. Buttons 1 and 2 on the first copy were also fantastic, but the backside button was a little bit wobbly, and luckily that's not an issue on this copy. All the buttons are literally perfect and it feels really good to play on. So I've tested this mouse in several games now, and so far the polling rate, the wireless, and sensor performance have all been absolutely flawless on this copy. This mouse is definitely designed for claw grip, but I was really surprised how good it actually is with fingertip grip. My hands are 19 by 11, and man, I'm telling you, it feels so good for fingertip grip on this mouse. My aim has been really solid so far. For me personally, this is easily in my top 3 mice of all time. It's got excellent clicks, the shape is fantastic, and the overall performance on this mouse feels great in game. That low weight and nice smooth PTSD feet and awesome shape feel amazing. I did have that problem with the polling rate on the first mouse and possibly some wireless interference, but you know, I've had issues with just about every brand that I bought from so far. There's always some random QC issue here or there, so I really wouldn't let that stop you from buying this mouse if you think the shape and the size are going to be a good fit for you. You know, now that I have no QC issues on this copy, I've just been wrecking people in games, and this is such a fantastic underrated mouse. I can easily recommend this mouse if you're looking for a claw or fingertip grip mouse and your hands are around the same size as me, which is 19 by 11. It's a fantastic mouse. I highly recommend it. So yeah, that's it for this one. I just want to give you guys a quick follow up on the Sora, and I'll see you guys in the next one.